What's going on, YouTube? Money Farm Tech back with the video. Sorry it's been a while, but today I wanted to show you guys the Rebel 3. I actually picked this guy up from Best Buy, and it was $30 on sale. I think it was about half off. Not bad. So let's take a look. Open this sucker up. Got the phone in there. Let's open this guy up here. Not bad size. Got a bunch of instruction manuals. We don't really need any of that stuff. One thing I do like to keep is the quick start guide. But I mean, even if you lose that, you can always look stuff up online. You got your charging cable, wall plug for the charging cable. Here's the back of our phone and our battery. Let's go ahead and pop that battery in. Now this is a little bit on the higher price range. Typically I like to spend no more than like 10-15 bucks. Unless the phone's got some pretty good specs. And the thing that I like about this phone is it's got Android 7, 16 gigs of memory, which is like twice as much as you normally get from a phone that price. And I'm going to show you some of the other features. There we go. We got the battery in, the back on. Let's go ahead and pull this off. All right. Looks like we got an audience. You stay over there, okay, buddy? My cat wants to be in the video. So you turn it on. It just got this sucker. They're also 30 bucks on the Tracfone website as well. Although for some reason I've been having problems making a payment. I don't know why. Here we go. Starting it up for the first time. Now instead of waiting and going through all this stuff, I actually have one that's already set up, so we'll put that one aside. This one's already set up. Here we go. Oh, cool. Right where I wanted to show you. Here's the storage. See, right from the get-go, I still got I barely used half of the data on the phone. I still got 8.12 gigabytes available. And let's go back here. For the memory, I wanted to show you this. 1.9 gigabytes of RAM, not bad. Super fast. And then I wanted to show you something also. When you first get the phone and you want to like customize the desktop, or I'm sorry, the home page, not the desktop. If you want to like take apps off, you can't do it unless you got to go into the menu, which is right. You got to go to home screen right here. And see how the top it says select home. You're going to be on this one right here, the home. When you want to select home and app drawer, you'll have to actually install it. But you got to wait a little bit for it to do its updating once you connect it to your Wi-Fi. And then you'll be able to customize your home screen. So just thought I'd let you know about that. Another cool thing that I like about this phone, oh, Android 7, wanted to show you that too. which is a pretty high version. I mean, normally people tell you get, you know, Android 5 or higher. Or you're not getting 5 or 6, you're getting 7, which is pretty nice. Let's see. There you go, Android 7. Very nice. Another thing I like to do, and I'm sure that you've seen a lot of people do this, you go to software info, click on your build number, and you can get the developer. Just gotta wait for it to say that, and then I'll turn my I'll put it on stay awake right there, so when I'm charging it doesn't shut off. And I'll also turn on the US debugging if I want to do anything to it. It's nice to connect it to the computer if I was going to do any recording or anything like that. What are you doing? You want attention. Alright. Let's see. Oh yeah. Last thing I want to show you guys is it's got multi-window. So I haven't really played around with it that much, but I tried it on Ulato, but it didn't work. I've seen people do it with Rewardable, but if you press the square button, you see that one right there next to the pin. That will put you in a multi-window mode, and it crashes. Well, let's see if I could show you guys. Okay, let's do like a YouTube, something else. Calendar, just to show you guys how it works. Just press square, that little thing next to the pin, and then okay, let's put the calendar up there. There you go, you got 2 windows up. Pretty cool. I thought that was pretty nifty. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this phone. I mean, you guys saw what you pretty much need to know as far as phone farming goes. I like it's very responsive, pretty decent size. It does have the power button on the back. I know some people don't like that, but it doesn't really bother me. I got pretty used to it because I have a lot of LG Premieres. But before I get this video too long, that's the LG Rebel 3 from Tracfone. Not bad phone. I got it for 30 bucks at Best Buy. So that's it, guys. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Hey, hey.